Hello and welcome back. So today I finally managed to find my access to the exclusive waterfall on the Roxby mill apparently. I've got directions from this very helpful chap who was out walking his dogs. Moved here in 1947, worked here since retired. So we're going to go down this lane here, make our way down there. And while I'm making my way there, if you would do me a favour, give a thumbs up, like and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy watching what you see. I'm making my way to the waterfall. Leave any comments you may like to leave, and I'll see you when we get to the waterfall. Bye now. If you listen carefully, you can hear it. You can't see it, but you can hear it. Need to wander further down. Bit of a funny story with this waterfall actually. About 10-15 years ago, when I last came, well, I didn't actually get here because of the incident. It was a real summer's day, and I said to my wife and daughter, come on, I'll take you to see a waterfall. So I got my clobber on, boots and everything, and they turned out some skimpy little shorts and some daft little training shoes, white. I said, you might want to change your clothes. Yeah, what do you mean? It's a hot summer's day. This is nice, look at this, I'll just show you this first. In fact, I'm going to take a photograph of that first before I continue with the story. Right, so as I was saying, so when we came here, it was very, very muddy. So muddy, in fact it was so treacherous, it was unbelievable. We didn't get to the waterfall. I got stuck knee deep in the mud, my daughter got stuck knee deep in the mud. I was hanging on by a branch, thinking I was sinking, and it got to the point where we were considering should we call mountain rescue or the rescue helicopter. I'll see if I can find a couple of photos of our predicament then. In the meantime, I haven't got to the waterfall yet, but I have found this little one on the way there. Yeah, so this is nice, got a nice little pre-waterfall I suppose, or pre-couple of waterfalls. Oh, there's a tractor coming down there. I suppose he's going to go through the fjord. Good job of moving my stuff, isn't it? There we go. We'll give him a wave as he's going through. Tractor man. Could have got a lift off him. Anyway, so we've got these couple of waterfalls here. So I think I'm going to take a couple here first. It's quite nice. Got this nice fern here in front of us. A nice big tree look there. And so there's another little waterfall further up there. I'm not going to go. I'm not going to bother. I get too involved. I'm going to take a couple of photographs here. Slow the shutter speed down so we get some water movement. Some nice bubbles. See what happens. Oh, nearly. See what happens. If that works out, I'll show you it now. If not, next destination. down there. Not what I do. It's the flat. So I'm going to... Oh, it's not too bad. I'm going to put this down anyway. It's quite wet down here. And cold. I'm sure you can hear the water raging in front of me. And you're dying to see it. So here we go. That's it. With it being a bit wet in the spray, I've put a sandwich bag over my camera just while I'm not doing anything at the moment, and keep it dry. I'm going to have a look at some different angles. Very wet. We've got that green, slimy, shiny moss. Well, it looks nice, and you stand on it. So, ooh. Well, that's not a bad view. So I've taken one from where the camera is now. I think I'll fetch the camera down here. The way it'll hide that trunk. Could just do with a model sitting on that rock, really. That would really set it off, wouldn't it? I don't suppose they would be too happy about it, like. I'm going to get my camera and do another angle from here. And there's quite nice green mosses. So I might do some of the little close-ups of things. Some intimate shots or whatever. Ferns against water. I do like doing foliage against water. And the river runs on down there. I think I've got my fill already, actually. I might have a drink of water and a biscuit. And where the ferns are hanging up there. That's nice, isn't it? Hey. So I'm not going to waffle on anymore. I'm going to carry on, take a few more photographs, which you'll see. And then I'll probably take some on my way back as well, because it's quite scenic. If I see anything worth mentioning, I will let you know. In the meantime, if you do me a favour, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm in a bit of a competition with my granddaughter, and she's whopping me at the moment. She's got 3 times more subscribers than me, and she's only been doing it for a few weeks. So yeah, like and subscribe. Check out my Facebook page, Andy Howe Photography, where you'll see all sorts of other types of photography on there. So I'm going to crack on here, and I'll come back to you when I'm going back to the car. Bye now. Well, what's not to love about photography when it brings you places like this? Especially when you're all by yourself. Could be quite Jurassic here. A dinosaur could come crawling up that valley any second and bite my head off. I doubt it. Funny if it did, like. That would make a good video. So, I'm happy with the waterfall photographs I've got so far. My last one, don't think you can. I'm really happy with that one, so I hope that turns out well when I get home. So all I'm going to do now is do a few handheld shots. Just pick a few things out, the odd leaf, the odd fern against the rock, maybe the odd squally bit of water in the waterfall. So, I mean, daft things like this, these nice little leaves that go on the moss on the tree. Yeah, so I'm going to do a few intimate ones here, and then I'm going to make my way back. If I see anything interesting on the way back, I'll add them onto the end of the video. In fact, I'll finish this video with a with a fall, by the look of it. It's really a bit precarious, wet and slippy. Yeah. Oh, there's a gorgeous earthy, woody smell. Oh, reminds me of rugby days when your face was squashed into the ground. Anyway, so I'm going to end this video again. I said that before. Like and subscribe if you like what you see, and also check out my Facebook page, Andy House Photography. And I'll see you all later. Bye now.